In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a relation property in Notion. This is a simple tutorial designed for beginners, but whether you're new to Notion or just looking to organize your databases more efficiently, you'll find this guide helpful. Let's start by opening a database. If you're not quite sure how to get there, don't worry. It's simpler than you might think. Just open your Notion workspace and navigate to the page or area where your database is located. You'll often find databases on specific project pages or within workspaces dedicated to certain tasks. Once you've located the database you'd like to work with, open it so you can edit its structure. Now that we have the database open, let's move on to the next step, which involves adding a new column. In Notion, every piece of data you enter is organized in columns, so this step is crucial for adding new types of information. Locate the little plus symbol or the Add a Column option, usually found on the far right of your current columns. Click on that and you'll see a prompt to name your new column and select its type. Moving on to the third part, you're going to select the relation property. This step is where the magic of interlinking different pieces of information happens. When you add a new column, a menu appears, prompting you to select the type of property you'd like it to be. Browse through the options until you find Relation. This option is essential because it enables you to create links between separate databases, allowing them to interact and communicate in a synchronized manner. Once you've selected the relation property, the final step is to link it to another database. This part allows the newly created column in your current database to establish a connection with information stored elsewhere in your Notion workspace. After choosing the relation property, a menu prompts you to select which database you want to link to. Think about which database holds the relevant information you want to connect to the one you're currently working on, and select it from the list that appears. Once you've done this, your newly linked column will enable you to cross-reference data between these two databases seamlessly. And there you have it. You've successfully created a relation property in Notion, opened new pathways for data interaction, and enhanced your organizational capabilities. The beauty of Notion is that it allows data to be dynamic and adaptable, and utilizing relation properties is a great way to optimize this. Whether you're managing a project, keeping track of research, or just organizing personal tasks, these connections can save you time and streamline your workflow. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial has made your Notion experience a little easier and much more interconnected.